Hello, everybody, and today we are going to be opening a mini brand create. This is a Disney snack one. You may remember those from the last time we did them. I don't know how long ago that was, probably a couple months, but we are back with a new one. We did that tape. Man. Oh man, that's hard. That's impossible to pull off with gloves on. Come on. Come on. Okay, no wait, that is impossible. Alright, let me just take these two. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, wait, got it. I got it. Just shove it all down there. Open this. Yeah, okay. Direct pipeline opening. Okay, now you just take it out. And open it up. Okay, that is all of it. Put the two halves over here. What do we have in here? We have a Monsters Inc. We have Monsters Inc. Mini Croissant. Right here. A Monsters Inc. Mini Croissant. That's one. To put that to the side. We also have a Fun Done frosting. Oh, sorry. We have Fun Done frosting. There we are. Anything else? Nope, it looks empty. Put it in here. Open this one. We have a plate. And we have the light to do the UV light setup. Okay. We have a Monsters Inc. donut box. Probably had 3 mini donuts in it. Okay, maybe open it with like scissors. There are 3 mini Monster Inc. donuts. Okay, and one of the old drivers. Anything else? Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, one more item in here. That would be the Monsters Inc. White Frosting Glue. There we are. Put that over here. What else do we have? Well, we have chocolate frosting glue. Yeah, chocolate frosting glue. Okay? Put these two by the side. We have a tap, probably for one of the bottles. We have a blue frosting glue. We have blue frosting glue. Okay. Ooh, we have 2 more taps. Here and here. Okay. And that is all. So, I think it's about time that we start making stuff. Okay, let me open the instructions first thing first. A lot of options, but today we are going to do the donuts. Move the water bottle here. Step 1. Go over here and put the donuts in. Where did he made them? Oh, that's a hard noise. 1, 2, 3. They're pretty big, but I'm sure it doesn't matter. Okay, now it says to do the blue one. Okay, so according to this, and I should move all the B pieces down here to this part of the bag, I think. Okay, now I'm gonna take my blue frosting, okay, I'm gonna take the lid off. I think I take the lid off. Okay, pull the lid off. Ooh, there's no cap on this one. That's surprising. I think maybe this one would go well for it. Okay. We are tightened on there. I'm gonna put it on this one. Okay. Okay. There we are. Not the most pretty looking donut in existence, but hey, I made it. Okay, so now after that, we want to open this baddie and place these little dots on it. Come on. Okay, well, some got left over, but you know what, let me put it on using this little claw here. Right. Oh. Okay, you all did that pick it up by hand. I don't need to use the dumb little claw they show in the pictures. Come on, where is it? Did it fall? Oh, here we go. Put it on here and bam! That was step number 2. Oh, and now I'm gonna open this bag of mini croissants. Open it up. Take 2 out of them. Wait, 2 is, I think it's 3. Okay, so I can just put, I don't want to take off my gloves, but yeah, I'm just gonna put the 2 mini croissants on there very carefully. Okay, there we go. I have put the 2 mini croissants on, and now I have to wait 2 minutes. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so it has been about 2 minutes, so I think I can stop. Put this away. I don't know if it worked. Wonder if I did chat. Nah, I might as well just use something like this to like check if it worked. It moved when I picked up the croissant. So yeah. Well, I mean the whole plate moved. But now I want to get the chocolate one. I'll just open this up. Come on. How am I'm gonna have to take off a glove just to man this thing, aren't I? What the heck? Why can't I open it? Why can't I open you? Oh wait, well, maybe you open the other way? God, I should not take off my gloves while doing this project. They're like super like sticky and gross. What the heck? Oh, got it. Oh, this one actually has a little lid on it. Oh, make sure it doesn't touch my skin. I can't handle that. My mind would hate me if I got it on my hand. But okay, we are gonna take this one, put it on. Okay. Why do my hands feel sticky without me having done anything? But okay, now on the pink one, we're gonna put some chocolate. I think we got like chocolate. You got more purple. But maybe chocolate in the monster world is like purple or something. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Okay. Now we are gonna put these two. Oh my god! I didn't realize something. These are based off the characters. These look like the pigtails that the little girl had in the movie. In the movie Monsters Inc. And this looks like Sully because we can't really see it well, but it's blue and it has purple dots and it has horns like Sully. So okay, now for this one we're gonna take the pigtails. One here. Oh well, that just fell. And then we're gonna put one more pigtail right here. Okay, well not the best ever, but okay. This one is gonna be 5 minutes. Okay, so I have just finished doing 5 minutes on this one. So now, time for the last one. So we are gonna take this white frosting glue, open it up. Okay, be very gentle. Okay, there's a yellow seal on it. We're gonna break the seal. Oh man, that's on my hand. Ew. I had to clean that off. I had to wash my hands. I hate doing that. I really yes that I like having dirty hands though. I think that's evident by what I'm saying. Okay, so now turning the plate 160 degrees, we're gonna look at the one that is green. I am gonna have to make. How do I Oh wow, that is a bit more of a tower than I was expecting it to be. But according to this, the only thing left I have to do is put an eyeball on the I think I'm missing. No, it's Did I accidentally put an eye? Man, I'll just replace it with any old eyeball. It doesn't matter. Probably should make this shorter, shouldn't I? Okay, so here's this one. Wrong place for the eyeball. Maybe I can remove it with this. Okay, maybe I can. And that looked good enough. Yeah, that totally Mike Wazowski. Okay. So I'm just gonna put this right here then. There we are. Now I just put it right here. And I am done. You did it. We have Mike. We have Mike without Sully. We have Mike, Sully, and Boo. Perfection. In the most disgusting way possible, but hey, it's all glued, so yeah. That's pretty cool. So yeah. You guys can stop watching now, but I'm gonna clean this up now. You know how I do it. Probably gonna wash my hands too. Oh, ill. Oh yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna clean this up in the greatest way possible. I'm keeping the ball though. Yeah. No, the balls are important. I need these. You can put anything in it. You can put anything in them. Like $1, $200. Wait, how am I gonna put this in? Man, I'll just like, I think when I'm done, I can probably take them out and put them. Wait, actually, these two should finish drying. So I wonder if I can. Oh, I can. Well, I can put them back in. Okay. Give me a minute. I'm gonna try to do that. Oh wait, I can't throw the ball because of the horns. That's fine, I guess. I'll just have to figure out how to do boo and that. She's probably gonna be the hardest to remove. Yeah. Oh wait, no, I did it. It got shitty though, but I did it. Okay, and now the easiest one. Put it right back here, and boom, here it is. Mike Wazowski, Sully or Sullivan, and Boo. You did that. I'm awesome. But yeah, his plate is disgusting. I don't even know if I should keep the plate. But, I believe that is all I have to do today. So, yeah. Probably gonna get rid of this manual. I'm gonna keep the light. And probably the other stuff. Like the sausage and stuff. But, yeah. I believe that marks the end of this video. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.